Did you know that the demand for certified electrical engineers is expected to grow by 40% in the next 5 years? In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, organizations face critical challenges in maintaining competitive edge and safety compliance in electrical systems. Companies struggle with outdated expertise, increasing automation demands, and complex regulatory requirements. Organizations frequently encounter serious issues due to insufficient electrical engineering expertise. Inadequate system design, poor maintenance practices, and outdated technical knowledge lead to operational inefficiencies, safety hazards, and compliance violations. These fundamental problems result in increased downtime, energy waste, and potentially catastrophic system failures. For technical teams, the challenges are significant. Professionals feel overwhelmed by evolving industry standards, emerging technologies, and complex electrical systems. This knowledge gap creates uncertainty in project execution and limits innovation potential. Our comprehensive certification course transforms these challenges into opportunities. Participants master advanced electrical engineering principles, learning cutting-edge techniques for system design, power distribution, and safety management. You'll gain expertise in modern electrical systems, automation technologies, and compliance requirements through hands-on practice and real-world applications. The benefits are substantial. Organizations gain certified professionals who can design, implement, and maintain efficient electrical systems that enhance operational performance. Individuals develop specialized skills that significantly increase their market value and career opportunities. Do not let your organization fall behind in electrical engineering excellence. Become the certified electrical engineer who can innovate, optimize, and lead technical advancement. Take the first step towards electrical engineering mastery today.